Friends, let us now move on to our question number 3. Okay, so question number 3 has 6 parts in the form of word problems. Okay, and we have to find the solutions of them using the substitution method. Okay, so let us read the question. From the pair of linear equations for the following problems, find their solution by a substitution method. We have to find the solution using substitution method. So what is the first part? Let us see. The difference between two numbers is 26 and one number is 3 times the other. Okay, one number is 3 times the other. The difference of two numbers is 26. This means what? अगर दो numbers का difference 26 है, then this means what? Now it is not given here that the two numbers are equal, because अगर वो equal होते तो उनका difference क्या होता? 0 होता. Okay, now this means what? One is greater and other is smaller. So let us start our solution. Let the greater number be x and smaller number be y. Let us consider greater number be x and smaller number be y. Okay students, now according to condition 1, according to our first condition, what we are getting? The difference between two numbers is 26. This means what? X minus y is equal to 26. This is your first equation. Okay, now one number is 3 times the other. So from here we will get our second equation. So from second condition, what we will get? One number is 3 times the other. This means what? अगर एक number 3 times है दूसरे का, तो it is very easy to understand that the greater number is 3 times the smaller number. Okay, so which is the greater number? X. So this means x is 3 times of y. Is that clear? So this implies x minus 3y equals to 0, and this is your second equation. Is that clear? Okay, so let us solve them by using substitution method. So from equation 1, so we are doing the same what we have done in previous sums. Okay, for substitution method. So from equation 1, what we will get? We will get x minus 26 equal to y, or y equals to what? X minus 26. Is that clear? Now we will substitute this value of y in our second equation. So putting y equals to x minus 26 in equation 2, what we will get? X minus 3 into y. So in place of y we will put what? X minus 26 equals to 0. So this means what? X minus 3 into x will be what? 3x minus into minus will become what? Plus. Now 3 6 are 18. Okay, 3 2s are 6, and this will be what? 7. So this will be what? 78 is equals to 0. Is that clear? So this means what? X minus 3x will be what? Minus 2x equals to minus 78. ऐसा लिख सकते हैं. Okay, now we will get finally x equals to minus 78 upon minus 2. So this implies x is equals to what? Minus minus will get cancelled, and we will get here what? 39. Okay, this means what? X equals to what? 39. Is that clear? Now we will substitute this value of x in our first equation. Now putting x equals to 39 in equation 1 to find y. Okay, so we will get what? In place of x we will write what? 39. So I am writing here 39 minus y. So minus y equals to 26. Is that clear? So this means what? Minus y equals to 26 minus 39, and this means minus y equals to 26 minus 39 will be what? Minus 13. Okay, so now finally we will get what? This implies we are getting y equals to what? 13. Is that clear? So we are getting y equals to 13. हमें y कितना मिल गया? 13. Is that clear? So this means what? X equals to, you are getting x equals to what? We are getting x as 39 and y as what? 13. Is that clear? Therefore x was our greater number, so therefore greater number is 39 and smaller number is 13, and these two values are your required answer. Okay students, so I hope आपको ये clear हो गया होगा. So in next video we will move on to question number 2. Thank you.